You have a ride.
Queen about to get her nose ring changed. I just got my hair lined up. It's about to be lit tonight. Chelsea Matlock just said, y'all can't even be real. Just a fake A couple looking for clout. First of all, nigga, don't nobody gotta look for clout because we already got clout. Second, my bank account way bigger than yours, so stop talking to me. Third, you about to get blocked, so I would have just kept that comment to myself, to be honest. Fourth, you irrelevant. I don't even know why I'm responding back to your little ugly butt. Talking about we looking for clout, nigga. Nobody gotta look for no clout. She talking about some clout, nigga. Do you know who he is? She talking about some bro. I hate. Don't come on my live talking because you gonna get blocked.
If you can't say nothing positive, don't come comment at all.
Because I guarantee you won't say it in our face. If I seen you, you probably would be asking for a picture right now.
I'm so tired of people talking. I'm so tired of people talking. Niggas need to learn how to shut the hell up. If it ain't your business, don't comment on it.
Her little retarded butt. That's probably a fake page. I think it is.
Y'all can't even be real. You don't know what goes on.
Alright, and
I'm about to go in here before I get mad.
Baby, come give me something up.